Hi all, welcome to the Linux and Shell scripting playlist. In this series, we will explore the core concepts and practical skills needed to master Linux, from basic operations to advanced system management. Whether you are new or experienced, this playlist is designed to enhance your Linux knowledge step by step. In this playlist, we will be covering various points like getting started with Linux, where we will learn the history of Unix and GNU Linux, what is so good about Linux, overview of Linux, and additional features of Linux. Further, we will learn how to install softwares in Linux, like additional RPM management tool, querying RPM packages, package installation, and removing packages. Further, we will see utilities, basic utilities, working with files, pipe, compressing and archiving files. In file system, we will see obtaining user and system information, communicating with other users, directory files and ordinary files, and access permissions, access control list, and links. Further, we will see the shell and popular editors in Linux, and the Born Again shell and TC shell. That's called Bash and TC shell. Here we will see shell basics, parameters, variables, special characters, processes, re-executing and editing commands, and many more. Further, we will do programming in Bash, like many control structures, file descriptors, parameters, and variables, and built-in commands and expressions. Further, we will see Linux system administration. In this, we will see system administrator and super user, rescue mode, setting up a server, important files and directories. In web server configuration, we will see Apache web server, installing Apache, configuring web server, and starting it and setting up our first web page. In file server configuration, we will see FTP protocol, how to start FTP server, and using and testing it. Samba server, where we will see overview of Samba server, installing Samba server, and configuring and adding Samba user and creating and configuring Samba. Network file system. In this, we will see overview and planning to install NFS, that is called as network file system, further configuring and examining. So that's all the topics we will be covering in this full playlist. Yeah, thank you so much.